I am Trupti Arun Bhange from second year CSC department. Today I am going to discuss on topic variable in Python. Do you know what is variable? Variables are used to store data that can be referred and manipulated during program execution. A variable is essentially a name that is assigned to a value. Unlike many other programming languages, Python variables do not require explicit declaration of type. A variable is a container for storing data values. It acts as a named memory location. In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to them. Variables act as placeholder for data. They allow us to store and reuse values in our program. The type of variable is inferred based on the value assigned. Here we can see example. Age is a variable name that is declared to the value 25. Next one is a name. Name is declared as Johan. This is a string data type. Simple syntax of variable, that is variable name is equal to value. For example, here age is a variable name that is equal to the assigned value of 25. Pi is equal to 3.40. Pi is a variable name that is assigned to the value 3.14. Next one is a greeting. Greeting is equal to hello. Greeting is a variable name that assigns the value of hello. Scope of a variable in Python, which are local and global. Local variable. Variables defined inside a function are local to that function. Here we define f in bracket a is equal to I am local, then print a. Output is I am local. The next one is a global variable. Variables defined outside any function are global and can be accessed inside function using the global keyword. First, variable name is a is assigned to the value I am global. Then define f global of a is equal to modified globally, print a f open close bracket, print a. Output of this program is modified globally. Declaration of variable. Python does not require explicit declaration, just assign a value to create a variable. Valid declaration in Python, that is variable name is x, is assigned to the value 10. Next one is a name. Any name is assigned to the value, that is a string. String is assigned either single quote or double quote. No need for variable name with data type. Next one is a object reference in Python. Let us assign a variable x to value 5. When x is equal to 5 is executed, Python creates an object to represent the value 5 and makes x reference this object. Now, if you assign another variable y to the variable x, y is equal to x, Python encounters the first statement. It creates an object for the value 5 and makes x reference it. The second statement creates y and references the same object as x, not x itself. This is called the shared reference, where multiple variables refer where multiple variables reference the same object. Now, if we write x is equal to geeks, Python create a new object for the value geeks and makes x reference this new object. The variable y remains unchanged, still referencing the original object 5. If you now assign new value to y is equal to computer. Python creates yet another object for computer and update y to reference it. The original object 5 no longer has any references and becomes eligible for garbage collection. Rules for naming variable. Variable must start with a letter or underscore. Variable can contain letters, digit and underscores. Variable cannot start with a digit. Variable cannot use Python reserved word as class, for, if, def. Variable names are case sensitive. Here we can see myvar and myvar both are different. Next one is dynamic typing in Python. Python is dynamically typed. No need to declare the type of variable explicitly. Variable type is inferred at runtime. For example, x is equal to 10. X is a variable name that is assigned to the value 10. 10 is an integer data type. Then next is x is equal to high. X is a variable name that is assigned to the value high. High is a string data type. Thank you.